Namaste, Yogis. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with a nice topic which is called Vajrasana. Vajrasana is also called Thunderbolt. So, this posture is basically used to practice meditation, the starting of your session of your daily practice. With this posture, there are so many interesting things. So, please stay tuned in this video, watch it fully. You will find a lot of new working for your daily practice. So, as we start Vajrasana, so as we always divide our practice first, the nice settlement. Settlement, you are in the proper position, of aligned. You need to be very much comfortable, relaxed, and always to maintain the back straight. It's very important. And when you're comfortable, then to check your toes, if your knees are okay, if your ankles are well settled. So this is the posture, and before that, we will start with the warm up. So for the Vajrasana or Thunderbolt, your warming up will be just to open the legs to the front, a little shaking. This is important just to release pressure from your knees, from the legs, and from the body. And little relax movement, and especially if you have knee surgery, knee problem, or ankle problem, it's not that much advisable. But if you are in a good practice, your asanas are good, so you may use Vajrasana in your daily routine. A lot of reasons, and the good and also the best reason is that it activates your Manipur, Swadhisthana, and Muladhara chakra. So if you have problem with these three chakras, try Vajrasana. So as you will warm up the body, from there, you come back into legs cross pose. And now you may change your posture into Vajrasana. So I take one leg next to the hip, then I incline the body, I go back, I move my toes back, then I sit over my heels, and then to check. Always you're breathing. Deep and relaxing. So now we'll talk about the benefits of Vajrasana. Now please be at ease. So in this posture, it's important not to press your heels, ankles if they are not ready that much. Otherwise, it has a wonderful working. So we'll go back on the benefits of Vajrasana. So first of all, by the name Vajra is a Sanskrit word which means it came from a weapon which was very strong, very powerful. So basically, the reason it makes your legs strong. And when your pelvis is settled over your heels, so what happens? Your pelvis gets proper shape. So it gets back its natural alignment. So it's easy for the spine to be adjusted. You may check, like you will feel very much comfortable. And third thing, to stretch your quadriceps. This is a very interesting thing. Please stay tuned. Very nice topic. That you're stretching your quadriceps adductors. And if you know, when you run, when you do your workout, these big muscles, they have a role. So they give you that movement, fast pace, slow motion, endurance. So it's very important to rest and to release pressure from these big muscles. So from quadriceps to adductors, so it goes deep in. The fourth benefit, it's very effective for your abdomen. It's very good for the tummy. A lot of blood circulation you will pass to the lower limb. So you may check again the movement. As much you can move your body with this Vajrasana. So lower abdomen is at rest. You get more blood circulation here. Then we'll talk next benefit. as I mentioned before, the chakras. If your lower chakras are imbalanced, you're not stable at all in your general life. Try Vajrasana. It will fix the stability, the foundation, the Mooladhara chakra. And again, if you will watch Swami Ramdev, his guidelines and his advices, you will always find that to sit into Vajrasana and to be straight, allowing your shoulders, allowing your upper body. So hope you like the video. Please press the like button, put your comments, ask the questions, your queries. Very happy to answer. And please share the video. And if you're a new person, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.